Right, I've just pulled her back into place now. I'll just put one little screw there. Another screw in there just to hold it. And I'm just going to pop a couple screws in there for now. Right, basically now I've got to connect this hydraulic connector back onto the reservoir. And I've got to put this big water hose on. Goes into the radiator. Now, what I found with these big clips, so you want to get a great big pair of pliers. Fuck it. Yeah, no. So I think these are like plumber's pliers. Massive bloody things. There we go. Yep. Of course you've got to put that on the hose before you put the hose on, crank it up and then release.